Welcome to On a Shoestring Production.
Dreamcast TV.
Here's an easy way of demonstrating the Moiré effect using random dots, or randomish. I pinched the idea from Grand Illusion's amazing channel, link in the description. You make an acetate copy and then lay that on top of the original. When you rotate the acetate ever so slightly, these concentric rings start to emerge like ripples in water. It also appears to work for blocks of text too, a quick way of making paragraphs visually more interesting. Then I wondered whether the Moiré effect will work with non-repeating, more complex patterns. Well, it's a bit more subtle, but certainly interesting in its own right. What's with the word incorporated into the dot design at the beginning of this video? Nothing to do with the Moiré effect really. Perhaps just an idea for a future video intro. Thank you for watching my video, and please feel free to leave a comment and feedback. The end is merely the beginning of infinitely more cardboard video adventures.